Welcome to McPlum, simple solutions served daily.
You start by selecting the line or lines you'll adjust. Once selected, open the Properties palette with Control plus 1 or Type Properties and press Enter. You need to confirm you actually have a line, polyline, or similar object selected because some entities don't accept transparency the same way. If you're working on a block, explode or edit the block in place. Make sure the drawing is unlocked and layer visibility is on so you can see changes immediately as you proceed. You now change the transparency value. In Properties, locate the transparency field and enter a value from 0 to 90, where 0 is opaque and 90 is very transparent. Then press Enter. Alternatively, open Layer Properties Manager to set transparency for an entire layer if you want consistency across many objects. Once done, make sure Plot Transparency is enabled in the Page Setup or Plot dialog if you expect the effect to appear in prints. Watch the viewport to verify visual results immediately. Finish by refreshing the drawing with Region or Regional to ensure the display updates. You should also check the Plot dialog and enable Plot Transparency if you want the same look in prints or PDFs. If the transparency doesn't appear, make sure there are no layer overrides, that the object isn't part of a block with its own properties, and that your visual style or hardware acceleration isn't suppressing transparency effects. One quick troubleshooting tip: toggle hardware acceleration off and on to force a redraw if changed.
Thanks for watching. Stay juicy and subscribe.